When it comes to upgrading your home's windows in New Orleans, choosing the right type of window is essential for both comfort and energy efficiency. With the city's hot and humid climate, making the best decision between double-pane and triple-pane eco windows can have a significant impact on your home's temperature regulation, energy bills, and overall comfort. Let's take a closer look at these two types of windows to determine which one is best suited for New Orleans' unique weather conditions. What are double-pane and triple-pane windows? Before diving into which type is best for New Orleans, let's break down the difference between double-pane and triple-pane windows. Double-pane windows. These windows feature two panes of glass with a gap in between, typically filled with argon or krypton gas for better insulation. Double-pane windows are widely used for their energy efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and soundproofing properties. Triple-pane windows. As the name suggests, triple-pane windows have 3 layers of glass, with 2 insulating gaps filled with argon or krypton gas. This design offers enhanced thermal insulation and soundproofing compared to double-pane windows, making them an even more energy-efficient option. Climate considerations in New Orleans. New Orleans experiences a subtropical climate, characterized by hot summers with temperatures regularly exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit and mild winters. In addition, the area's high humidity and occasional storms create unique challenges for homeowners. Let's explore how double-pane and triple-pane eco windows handle these conditions. Double-pane windows in New Orleans. Double-pane windows are a popular choice for homeowners in New Orleans for several reasons. Sufficient insulation. For many New Orleans homes, double-pane windows provide adequate insulation, helping to keep indoor temperatures comfortable. They effectively prevent heat transfer, keeping the cool air inside during the summer and blocking heat during the mild winter months. Energy savings. Double-pane windows are designed to reduce your energy consumption by preventing heat loss, which can lower your air conditioning costs during the summer, especially when combined with low emissivity, low-E coatings. This is an important benefit in New Orleans, where cooling costs can be high. Cost-effective option. While not as energy efficient as triple-pane windows, double-pane windows provide an excellent balance between cost and energy savings. They are also lighter and easier to install, making them a budget-friendly option for many homeowners. Triple-pane windows in New Orleans. While triple-pane windows are typically known for their use in more extreme climates, they still offer unique benefits for homeowners in New Orleans. Superior insulation. With 3 panes of glass and multiple gas-filled layers, triple-pane windows provide superior insulation, blocking out heat in the summer and keeping indoor temperatures stable year-round. This extra layer of insulation can be particularly useful in New Orleans' hot and humid climate where air conditioning is frequently running. Humidity and soundproofing. The extra panes in triple-pane windows help reduce moisture infiltration and prevent condensation, which is a common issue in high humidity areas like New Orleans. Additionally, these windows are great at soundproofing, which can be an advantage in busy neighborhoods or during stormy weather. Long-term savings. While more expensive up front, triple-pane windows can save you money in the long run through greater energy efficiency. By providing superior insulation, they can significantly reduce your cooling bills during New Orleans' hot summer months. Weather protection. Given New Orleans' exposure to occasional hurricanes and tropical storms, triple-pane windows offer enhanced durability and protection against extreme weather. The extra layer of glass makes them more resilient to high winds and impacts, providing peace of mind during storm season. Which is best for your New Orleans home? Choosing between double-pane and triple-pane eco windows depends on several factors, including your budget, energy savings goals, and home-specific needs. Double-pane windows. If you live in a more moderate climate or have a tight budget, double-pane windows are likely the best option. They provide adequate insulation, help keep your home energy efficient, and are a more affordable choice for most homeowners. Triple-pane windows. If you're looking for superior insulation and long-term energy savings, and are willing to invest in a higher upfront cost, triple-pane windows could be worth considering. These are especially beneficial if you live in a noisy neighborhood, have issues with excess humidity, or want additional storm protection. Final thoughts. Both double-pane and triple-pane eco windows are great options for homeowners in New Orleans. The choice ultimately depends on your budget, the level of energy efficiency you desire, and the specific climate challenges you face. For most homes, double-pane windows will provide the right balance of comfort, energy savings, and affordability. However, if you want extra protection against storms and humidity, triple-pane windows offer exceptional performance. Whichever option you choose, investing in energy-efficient windows will not only enhance your home's comfort and value but also help you save money on energy bills over time. Consider consulting with a local window professional to determine the best fit for your home's needs and New Orleans climate.